A metal leaf electroscope with 1.25 times 10 to the power of 10 excess positive charge is grounded and discharges completely in 0.5 seconds. Calculate the average current in the grounding wire. So we know the electric current is going to be I, and the unit is ampere. It's delta Q divided by time in terms of seconds, this one in terms of coulomb. So delta Q is going to be number of proton plus the charge of each proton, which is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. And how many we have? 1.25 times 10 to the power of 10. 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. That's going to give me 2 times 10 to the power of negative 9 coulomb. So I will be 2 times 10 to the power of negative 9 divided by 0.5. That's going to give me 4 times 10 to the power of negative 9 ampere.